Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax, and today we're going to take a look at the 2026 Boston Whaler 28 Vantage. The really nice thing about the Vantage models is that they're not just a great family boat, they're a great fishing boat. So I'm going to go around and show you some of the features on this that makes this a boat that's 100% you can use for taking the family just on a day cruise, or you can take it offshore fishing to your favorite fishing hole. This particular one is equipped with the twin 300 Mercuries on it, and that does have joystick piloting on it, and I'll show you that when we get up to the helm area. The joystick piloting is going to make a docking and getting into your slip a breeze. But let's take a look at a few things that make this a fishing boat first, besides just a family boat. You can see you've got nice rod holders here in the gunnel. We've got 3 more rod holders back here in the back, and we've got shotgun rod holders up here on the T-top. We've got in the floor, we've got an insulated fish box. And then we've got a large live well on the port side back here. So it's got everything that you're gonna need for a day of fishing. And look at all this cockpit space that we have back here in the back. Also another fish box on the floor on the starboard side. So plenty of fish box space on this boat. But let's talk about some of the family friendly options on here. Check out this back seat. Nice high backrest on it. How easy it is to deploy. If you are fishing back here, you've got something to rest your thighs up against so you don't get bruised. Very comfortable fishing boat. All right, back to what makes this a great family boat. Starboard side, solid surface countertop right here. But when you lift that solid surface countertop up, look at that underneath. We've got a grill and we've got a refrigerator underneath that. Back on the port side, I love these versatile seats that are on here. So you can face forward there, somebody can be facing back, but look at all the different positions on here. You can put it there, locks there, locks all the way down. Really neat seat. Oh, one thing I wanted to show you on these boats too. Look at this boarding door. So you've got a port side boarding door. You can use it for climbing in and out of the water. You can see you've got a handle that will swing over to help pull you up. You've got some steps that will go in right here that will go down into the water. So it's great for getting on and off the dock, or great for getting in and out of the water. Look at how overbuilt the Boston Whaler is. Those are hinges that look like they'd come off a 60, 70-foot boat. Very overbuilt. Heading back up to the front of the boat, or the helm area. Super comfortable captain's chair. Can sit down while driving. Again, we've got the joystick piloting over here. We've got a Simrad 12-inch multifunction display, so that's going to have your GPS, your fish finder, everything's all on this boat. You don't need to add anything. If you don't want to sit down and drive, flip up your thigh rise bolster, and you've got, and I'm pretty tall too, 6'3". I got plenty of clearance. I had clearance coming underneath the rod holder, so if you're a tall person, no problem on this boat. Also has a VHF radio on here. Again, no need to add anything. This one is ready to go. Got all the electronics installed. Nice big head compartment. Plenty of room for a big guy down inside of it. It's got a sink down in here as well. And then I really like the bow seating area. This is really safe for the kids to ride around, because look at how deep you are down inside the bow area. Really deep down inside. You've got armrests that flip down. You've got handles that you can grab onto. You've also, in the bow area, if you want to just nose right up to the beach, you have a beach boarding ladder here in the front. Flip that out, you can nose right up onto the beach. Before you climb back on the boat though, you've got a freshwater shower. You can rinse your feet off, rinse the salt water off of you. This one also has the electric anchor windlass on it. It's a loaded boat. It's got everything you need. It's at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Give me a call on my cell phone if you want to take it for a test ride, 904-625-6146.